guys, it's Riley from Science Girl. So today we're going to be dissecting a cow heart. I'm also going to be joined by my good friend Justin.
Hello.
We are going to be dissecting this together. So this is a cow heart. So I got this from Lashways. Big shout out to them. They donated it. We didn't have to pay. So let's get started.
So first, let's check the arteries. So as you can see, these holes right here are the arteries where most of the blood is pumped, and
all of the blood.
Yeah. And we can actually stick a pencil to show you how deep it goes. Oh,
yeah, this pencil won't be used by any students anymore.
And it goes pretty deep.
Oh my.
The whole pencil basically goes in.
Okay, let's pull that out and let's start the actual dissection.
So we have our scalpels.
We oiled this heart for about 20 minutes to make sure that was going to be all good. Also, you're going to need gloves for this because you don't want to get this all over.
So we have our scalpels out. Be very careful.
So if you are squeamish, please choose a different video right now because this is going to be a little bit messy. So let's get started. Okay, right down the center?
Yep, you start. So
great. This doesn't go that deep.
I think we should go like this.
Yeah, go ahead.
There we go. Make a loop around it. Okay. Now we can try to take this part.
Yeah,
out.
I'm going to need to make my line a little bit deeper, so.
Yes.
There we are. So this is really hard to cut because there's so much muscle tissue in it. So let's see. Did we get it? Yay! Sort of.
We have to make this one deeper.
Yeah. Right here?
Yep. Got it. Pull, pull, pull.
Ah, goodness. It's very muscly, as you can tell. So, for this, scalpels don't really work well, so I'll be back when we're done.
I can pause.
So we have just made all of our pre-cuts. So basically, just outlining what we're gonna cut.
So can you hold it or something?
Yeah, sure.
Just
Please. Yeah, it slides very, very, very good because it's
Okay.
a surgical scalpel.
Come on. Got it.
Got it. Okay.
Pull it apart. There we
Great.
are.
So
We have our half of the heart. So let's see. What parts are there on this?
there's the 4 chambers, which we'll have to cut a bit deeper
To
to
see,
get
of
to.
course, sadly.
So
There's also
we're gonna
the
have to cut right
Fat
here.
on the outside.
So we're gonna have to cut right through this line
Uh-huh.
to get to the chambers.
Let's see, what else is there? We see muscle right here.
Muscle. We can see where
Meat, of course.
and we can see that if I poke this through right here,
how about you take it from the top? Or
and
that works.
so see it
this
goes
is-
through because this is a artery.
Uh-huh.
So I'll cut, like I said, through here. So if you
Okay.
would please put the heart maybe in that green bin for a second.
Yep, so we'll just work with this one for now, and let's get started. So I'm going to grab my scalpel, and I'm going to start cutting too.
Right. So I am cutting. It's very hard.
Okay.
So
So can you tell us any neat facts about the heart while we're letting you cut it?
wait. You can do it because I'm cutting.
So one neat fact that I do know about the heart is that the heart, even when it is taken out of an animal, will still beat due to the electrons shooting into it, causing the muscles to pulse. It is the heart is one of the only organs, along with the lungs and the digestive system, that always keeps going and going. So we're going to finish cutting this up, and we'll return when we're done.
Good. So we just cut, and we found one of the chambers. So
right here we have a nice
valve.
right here valve going right into here, and right here, if you look right here, we have a chamber.
I'll cut it open a bit more so we can see better.
There we are. Okay, let's see if we can pop that out. Remember, the muscle tissue for the heart is very, very thick. So if you decide to cut this or try this, please be cautious with any knife that you use.
Or scalpel. And got him.
Easy. Okay, we'll cut that out.
Right.
Okay, so we're going to leave that like that.
Yes.
Okay, and let's see what we're working with here.
Lift it up, so take it.
And right here we have our chamber right in here. I'm sticking my finger in it. And so the blood comes through here after being pushed down. So let's open that up. And there goes the finger. And it makes it so that the blood can't come back out by closing this valve. Then from here, it finds its way up, all the way up here. If my finger were longer, I could fit it through.
We can do it with this. So
yep.
It goes through this little door right here. It's not a door, but
we're just going to call it that. And almost there.
It goes right through here.
So, let's turn it around. So as you can see, the pencil, it goes straight through a valve, and it's quite amazing. The heart, it's a very vital organ, including that you couldn't live without it.
Yes.
And yeah, that pencil's not going to be living much longer.
So the heart actually, in the body, there is about 5 liters of blood. So that heart is what pumped it all up into the veins, arteries, so you can work properly.
Also, right here on the other side, we have another chamber right here.
Yes.
Nice big one. And pops it right through. Another fact that I learned is quite sad. One in every 3 people has heart disease.
Yes.
It's quite sad. But that's why you eat healthy, exercise
a lot,
and take care of your body.
I made this bigger, so this whole thing right here is the chamber.
This one.
So now this piece is basically like dead.
So
we'll dissect.
The cow's dead.
I know, but whatever. So we'll go and work on this.
Yep. So let's cut through here. So I just cut through the muscle tissue there, and let's pop this open a little bit more. There we are.
I'll take that. Ready?
Mhm.
Be very careful.
Right through there. There we are.
Voila! Oh. Perfect.
So, okay, and
hold it again.
Yep,
please. Great.
Okay, so this is our other part of the heart. Explain all the parts of it, Justin.
So, we'll try. Here, the blood flows through here. Then it, we'll go to the other side. Right. So the blood flows through here, and then it goes back up. Don't mind the bell. And it goes back up through here and up. So the atrium of the heart is here, and it goes to the ventricle, and it goes back up and flows throughout the body.
Yes, so I find this an amazing organ because it's just so amazing. It was created very specially. There's muscles, tissue, there's even actually fat in the heart, which is good for you. Don't be worried if there's fat on the heart. It's perfectly normal. That's just to help protect the heart.
Yes.
And this is pretty much the entire heart. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I have one more thing to add. So what happens is that the blood, when it pumps back through, it goes to the lungs, and it brings it throughout the body.
And
so
that's how the blood has oxygen in it. It goes through the lungs, gets its oxygen, and goes through the body.
And that, in turn, helps your muscles. So hope you guys like this video of the heart dissection. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Leave your name in the comments below for a shout out during my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys had a great day. I love you guys, but for now, this is Science Girl.
See ya!